Uh, hey, Josh, we're trying to use assets more in my org. Is there a particular reason why department is a separate schema and not built into the people schema? I am thinking it's to take advantage of linked objects. Great question. So, in my example, do I even have department as a separate schema? Let me pull that up. So, I'll pull up my screen. Let's see what I had here. So, I had the people schema. Did I have a department that's separate? I do not. But you can create a separate department schema, absolutely. I would probably lean towards having a people schema and then department inside of the people schema. The reason for this is that department is very heavily associated with people, right? And if you have things like roles, regions, teams, that kind of all belongs in one space. And this doesn't hinder your ability to link certain objects together at all. So if you're trying to link departments to people, you could do that within the same schema. You could do that across schemas. You have whatever options you want to kind of manage with this. And all that to say, there is no wrong answer here. You could have a department that's a separate schema and then still associate it to people. But I would try to keep this list a little bit shorter. Like if you have, and you're also, I think, limited to 99 schemas in total. So if you're, breaching on like 30 plus schemas, even 20 plus schemas, it's going to be very difficult for someone to jump in here and be like, boom, that's exactly what I need. Let's go here. It's under people, it's under departments. If I have to read through 30 different schemas, I'm going to have a very hard time managing and navigating here. So as long as it fits in like 10, 20 schemas, you should be fine. That being said, as companies grow, as assets grow, it's usually best to consolidate into different schemas that actually make sense for your company. In which case, if you're managing people and you have departments, I would funnel them in and like have them under one roof personally. But if it works for you and you have a very small set of schemas, it's probably going to be fine. Hey, real quick, if you feel like Jira is messy and slow, or you feel like you're constantly trying to fix and rebuild it, then I want to invite you to take our free Jira strategy assessment down below. In just a few really quick questions, we'll show you which stage your team is currently in and exactly what to fix first.